This is a nail product haul from Temu. Here, this is like a foam case for gel polish. It has like round cases. This is soft gel tips. They are supposed to be square tips. Then we have these cute little sponges. These are for clearing the cuticle area if the gel polish touches it. I bought a peel-off base coat. I hope it's good. Then we have a glitter rubber base gel. It's 7 ml. I bought these cute little flower stickers because I am not that good with nail art yet and I don't have the right tools. This is a silicone tool. Then we have marble nail foil. These are flower nail foils, and this is the transfer gel. I bought a sculpture gel, 3D effect, no wipe. This is flower fairy gel. It's 5 ml, a small pot. These are for swatching gel colors, and in this bag there are some cute spring colors. These are the gel polishes. I actually bought them for 1 cent. It was some sort of a deal that Temu had. I think the original price was around 6 euros, I think. I'm not really sure. But there are some cute spring colors. We have pinkish purple, some pink, yellow, blue, different shades of green, mint. I also bought a blooming gel. Come on, focus. It doesn't focus. Why don't you focus? Anyway, it's a blooming gel. It doesn't want to focus at the moment. So I bought all this for 20 euros. This was like a great deal because it's like a normal, not normal size, but it's a good size. Like this is around 7 ml. So it's like a nice size for 1 cent, all these. So these are my products. I want to create like a cute design with these colors, so we'll see what I will make.